This video will show you how to install the ClockAudio CS Series boundary microphone in a table. Please note that this video does not apply to the CSS series equipped with a touch button. All CSS microphones require a 25mm hole for their non-removable through-table shaft. First step is to drill a hole in the table. For the CS1, CS2, and the CS3RF, please drill a 10.5mm or a 0.41-inch hole through the table. Please note that the CS1RF can also be used as a tabletop without the drilling, using the cable exit notch in the back of the unit. For the CS4RF, please drill a 15.5 or 0.61-inch hole through the table. Slide the hollow screw over the cables and secure it to the threaded hole on the underside of the microphone. Next, feed the cables and the hollow screw through the hole until the microphone is sitting comfortably on the table. Slide the washer and securing nut over the cables. Please note that the CS4RF does not come with a washer. Finally, screw the securing nut all the way to the top of the shaft. Remember to only hand tighten the nut in order to preserve the shock mounting feature of the microphone. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.clockaudio.com.